Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Face serums are lightweight moisturizers and are essential part of our skincare. Serum penetrate in your skin and give your skin firmer and smooth texture and helps to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Serum for normal skin. For making serum for normal skin, what you need is 2 tablespoons argan oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 5 drops tea tree essential oil, and 5 drops lavender essential oil. Mix all the ingredients well and store in a dark glass bottle. Wash your face and apply a small amount on your face and neck and massage it for 5 seconds and wait for 5 minutes until absorbed completely. Then apply your daily moisturizer or cream. Use this serum in morning and at night after washing your face. Argan oil will help to keep your skin moisturized since it has the quantities of vitamin E and will give your skin soft and smooth look. Jojoba oil acts as a humectant and helps the skin to retain its moisture. It also has antioxidants and helps in collagen synthesis. Vitamin E oil moisturizes your skin and adds glow to your skin and maintains the skin health. Tea tree oil has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Lavender essential oil possesses antibacterial and antiviral qualities that make it perfect for any type of skin. Further, lavender oil helps regenerate skin cells and tone the skin. Application of this serum will help to keep your skin hydrated and will give your skin soft, smooth and glowing skin. Serum for dry skin. For making serum for dry skin, you need 3 tablespoons argan oil, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 5 drops chamomile essential oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. Mix all the ingredients well and store in a dark glass bottle. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your face and neck. Use this serum in the morning and at night daily for the best results. Argan oil and vitamin E oil will help to boost hydration level on your skin and lavender essential oil will help to regenerate skin cells. Chamomile essential oil will also help to moisture your skin and retain the moisture in the skin. Combination of all these will give your skin fully hydrated, smooth, clean and glowing skin. Serum for oily skin. For making serum for oily skin, you need 3 tablespoons argan oil, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 5 drops chamomile essential oil, and 5 drops lavender essential oil. Mix all the ingredients well and store in a dark glass bottle. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your face and neck. Argan oil is best for oily skin since it helps to absorb excess oil from the skin and helps to treat acne and acne scars. It has anti-sebum effects which can effectively regulate amount of sebum on your skin, keeping your skin smooth and flawless. While with its vitamin E content, it will help to hydrate your skin and maintain skin health. Chamomile and lavender essential oil will help to hydrate your skin and regenerate your cells. Serum for mature skin. For making serum for your mature skin, what you need is 1 ounce jojoba oil, 4 drops rose essential oil, 4 drops Helichrysum essential oil, 5 drops geranium essential oil. Combine all the mentioned ingredients in the dark glass bottle. Shake gently before each use. Wash your face and use cleaner before applying the serum. Jojoba oil has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It helps to promote cell regrowth and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. Rose essential oil helps to refine your skin texture. It also helps to combat aging and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. Helichrysum essential oil and geranium essential oil helps in cell regrowth and gives your skin younger look. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.